Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Margaret. This is my second part of my first copter build. My dad added the motors and this is how it looks like. I'll be changing the configuration. I'll open Betaflight. I will change the flight modes. I'm gonna replace these two modes. Angle and horizon with acro. And I will remove the beeper. Acro is default, so I'll be fine on it. And save. Sometimes when you connect the battery or you just arm it, the motors in the brush copter, the motors spin, and I want to get rid of that. And in order to do that, I need to do the following. So I will go to CLI. Wait, that's not CLI. That's black box. And I will write set motor. Wait. Set motor underscore PWM again underscore rate equal let's just say 16,000. There we go, and I will write save. There we go. It's saved, and I will enable motor stuff. Oh, it's already enabled. Okay, that's good. And I will do the test flight now. I put the props and I will try to fly. There we go. Put it like that. And on. And I don't know what just happened right now, but I'll try again. And now it's spinning, I cannot control it. I tried it many times. I changed it to horizon and it still does that. I don't know why. And there's only 3 parts in this quad. The motors, the receiver, and the flight controller. And I will ask my dad if he can replace the flight controller and let's see if it solves the problem. My dad changed the flight controller. I configure it. If you're interested, you can check my part 1 video. I will do the maiden flight again. Okay, it's not spinning. It's not spinning anymore, so this is great. This is really great. Oh, but the prop came out. Maiden flight, take 2. Let's try that again. Hopefully the prop will not fall out. There we go, and it flipped. I will go to the bigger room and I will try it there. Maiden flight, take 3. Wow, this turns out to be better than expected. The copter was flying very good. It was not flipping. Turns out, to my surprise, Akrama wasn't that hard to fly on. As you can tell, I changed the props because, you saw it. The other props were keep on flying, making the copter flip, which was a problem to me. My dad, he ordered an FPV camera, and it will take months to deliver. And stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.